In this video, we'll show you how to fix the issue where your browser keeps signing you out of your Google account randomly. First, open your browser settings. Go to your Google account and make sure sync is turned on. All sync options should be enabled to keep your account properly connected. Next, go to Privacy and Security, then open third-party cookies. Make sure the setting is set to allow third-party cookies, since blocking them can cause sign-out issues. Now go back and open Clear Browsing Data. Select All Time, check all options and clear the data. After this, you'll need to sign in again, but it often fixes the issue. If the problem continues, check for browser updates and install any available updates. You should also review your extensions. Go to the Extensions menu and remove any recently added or suspicious extensions that might be interfering with your Google login. And that's how you fix the issue of being signed out of your Google account randomly. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.